Hello everyone, welcome back to Express VTU for all. In this video, we will understand unary relational operation in relational algebra, which is an important topic for the exam. So let's start with the definition. Unary relational operation are the operations that are applied on a single relation. The main unary relation are select, project and remain. So these are our main unary relational operation. Now let's understand each one. Our first one is select operation. Select is used to retrieve specific rows from a table based on a condition. It performs horizontal partitioning. The notion is sigma of condition applied on the relation. For example, selecting employees when department number is 4 or salary greater than 30,000. This is the select operation. Now important property is that of the select operation is the number of attribute remains the same but the number of rows may decrease. So also select operation is commutative. Now let's move the project operation. So in project operation, it is used to retrieve a specific column from a table. It performs vertical partitioning. The notation is pi of attribute is listed on the relation. For example, selecting any first name or last name and salary from the employee. Properties including the number of column reduces, duplicate rows are automatically removed and it is not commutative. Now let's move to the rename operation. Rename is used to change the name of the relation or its attribute. It is mainly useful in complex queries and intermediate result. So the notation is row. We can rename a relation, attribute or both. For example, first we select employee from the department 5 and store in a temporary relation. Then we project specific attributes like name and salary from the temporary relation. This makes query more readable and organized. So in this conclusion, select is used to retrieve rows, project retrieves columns and rename change names, and all these operations work on a single relation. So like that you have to write in the examination along with the proper example and definition of each term. If you want these notes, the WhatsApp link and the Telegram link is given in the description box. You go and check it from there. So thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe Express VTU for all.